Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at PTC 2026 in Hawaii, and today I'm joined by two return victims of mine. Doug Recker is president of Duos Technologies Group, and Adrian Goldfarb is strategic advisor. Guys, welcome to my hot seat yet again.
Thank you for having us again. We love being here.
Yes, thank you for having us. Enjoy it.
So, what do you think edge data centers have become a critical infrastructure?
Well, the main reason they're critical, and especially what we're doing in the tier 3 and tier 4 markets, is those markets seem to have a lack in good connectivity, right? So what we do is we bring our pod into that market and we interconnect several carriers so they can actually come into our pod and peer, cross-connect to each other and create better connectivity for the community.
Okay. Adrian,
Yes.
anything to add to that?
Yes, I mean, it started off actually many years ago where we used an edge data center for a very specific application, actually working with Doug, even though he wasn't with us at the time. And then we joined up a couple of years ago now, and we're moving forward now into this rapidly burgeoning data center market with a real unique solution for the edge data center market.
So, Doug, how does Duos Edge AI help communities deploy such important infrastructure?
So it's critical that the school districts in the markets we go to, and that's what really attracts us to the tier 3 and tier 4 markets. The school districts there don't have great connectivity because they're out in rural areas. And what happens is their connectivity goes a long way to get to their server, to the main host. So it's a mild sensitive issue. So when we put the actual data center in that market, it helps create better connectivity and lower latency. They can get to their data quicker, and then they can actually buy bigger circuits for less price.
Okay. Adrian, what do you want to add to what Doug has just said?
Yes, I mean, there's also, as the retired CFO from the company, there's a great financial benefit as well for both sides because the districts where we've gone, they save money on their budget. And we get a benefit because we're then co-located there without a lot of the expense that goes with building out a huge data center. And it's much faster to market as well.
Okay. And you've been in the industry for quite a long time now. Any lessons learned you want to share with the people watching us today?
What's interesting, what the lessons I'm learning is when I go out to these remote areas, how bad the connectivity really is and how the students there compared to a tier 1 market have a totally different experience when they're at school. So this is really amplifying and helping those schools with better learning, better connectivity. Now you're rolling in AI products so they can actually feel like they're in a major market.
Okay. Adrian, any lessons learned you want to share?
Yes. So when I started my career some 40 plus years ago, we at that time would talk about sub-second response time. And people said, well, that's impossible. You never get there. And here we are, sub-2 milliseconds response time. So there's a lot of lessons learned from that. Just getting the applications and the data very, very close to the people makes a huge difference for everyone.
Guys, it's always a pleasure to have you on my hot seat. You do amazing things. Keep doing what you're doing, and maybe I'll see you next year, same place.
See us next year. Thank you so much. We'll look forward to it.
Thank you very much.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.